What's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, ladies and fellas in the back? I see y'all. Neek here, and I'm back with another video. Alright y'all, so I just got ready not too long ago. My hair is like, I had it straight or whatever and it was down, but I just put it in a ponytail, a little, can I get my words right? With a little bang, you know, a little bang yang. That's besides the point. I told y'all I was gonna give y'all an update on the fall decor that I have in my house right now. So that's what this video is about. Not so much a house tour, but like my fall decor, like fall edition, like what I got in the house right now for fall. So yeah, it's not really much, but it's a couple of things, you know, a little 1-2. So I was like, yeah, I gotta show y'all what I got. So that's what we're gonna be doing right now in this video. It may not be long, like vlog style. I don't know, y'all like vlog, like do y'all want me to get into like doing my whole day type of thing, like what I be doing throughout the day? If y'all do like this video, or let me know in the comments, I will go more into depth about my day, what I'm doing. I'm a really boring person, so you probably don't care, but if you want to see more, just let me know. But right now I'm about to show y'all what I got for fall for my decor boo. So let me just walk downstairs. I can just keep the video going. So yeah, y'all, my, like, I guess not vision, or like my aesthetic, I don't know, whatever you want to call it, for fall is Hello Pumpkin. So that is my vibe. So that's why we got a lot of pumpkin stuff. This balloon right here, because we had a party yesterday. Jackie's parents are in town, so we cooked or whatever. So I just like had some like fall decorations or whatever. So it's just one balloon right here. I just really went into depth for nothing about one balloon, but whatever. So yeah, y'all, this the first area. Ooh, 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 get it, girl. Let me stop playing. So look, I love this. Now the placemats I don't love. I just got these for yesterday because, you know, we was here eating or whatever for the party. So let me just take these off. Just act like y'all ain't see these. But do y'all think I should keep them here? I don't know what y'all think. But I'm taking them down for right now because, girl, I didn't have them there for the whole decor thing. So anyways, let's get into this candle, the first fall thing. So it says, hello fall. Hello girl. It smells so good too, y'all. And it's big. Y'all can't really tell how big it is on camera, but it's big. And I got this from Marshall's, I think for like, it should be on there. I don't never take the tag off. I'm so ghetto. Oh, $12.99. So not bad for this big old candle. And I love that it smells so good, just giving me my fall vibes. So yeah, y'all know I already had that. Mom got me that from Gardner White. So let's get into this real quick. So I made this for my engagement party that I had. Well, that me and Jackie had, like I'm engaged to myself. So I had this for the engagement party. I made this or whatever. And then I just got these little scarecrows from Dollar Tree, so I just stuck them in there. And I was like, how cute is that? So like, if I want to keep this centerpiece here for a minute or whatever till I get my actual set I'm gonna have in here, because it's not the actual set, y'all. Like, this just came from my apartment or whatever, even this cowhide rug. So I'm not gonna keep this stuff in here, like even that cowhide ottoman, like I don't know. So we'll see, you know, how long we'll have this till I figure out what I'm gonna have in here. But yeah, so each year, not each year, but each like season or whatever, I'm probably gonna put like some little sticks from Dollar Tree, like some Christmas ones in here, where it's just gonna always get jazzed up for the holiday or whatever. So I just said a whole lot of nothing. So this pumpkin I got from Aldi's, and it was only $10, which I loved. I was like, oh my gosh, it's so cute. I couldn't pass it up. So it doesn't really match in here, but it gives a little pop, I guess, you know, with the orange scarecrows. But I think it looked cute. Y'all let me know in the comments. I don't know. So I just set that there. It smells so good in here, y'all. It's giving fall vibes. Like, the sense of smell is like vanilla with a hint of pumpkin spice. Loving it. That little plug-in I got from Bath & Body Works, that one is pumpkin waffles, I think. Something like pumpkin waffles. Y'all gotta get it. It smells so good. Let me fix this rug right here. Like the cow just running around the house or something all messed up. Okay, cowhide rug. But yeah, we're gonna keep that rug forever ever. But this set is gonna have to go pretty soon. So moving on to the family room. So y'all already know it's not much done in here. Y'all, like, I don't even know. Like, let me put my face on the camera so I can explain myself. Okay, like, I just keep on saying I got a lot going on, like, but it's like, okay, well, what are you doing? Like, what are you doing with your life? I don't know, but it just seemed like I don't have time for this type of stuff. Like, but I'm a really decorated for real. And we really gonna get it together for real, for real. But anyway, so yeah, we still gotta put our shelves in here, maybe a big old plant, you know, something. We gonna get into it, y'all. Just stay tuned for the videos. Help me out, help a sister out, okay? So yeah, y'all know I got that from At Home. Love that. Just in case y'all wanted to know where I got it from, I got this from Bob's Furniture. It's like a little candle holder. Love that. But now let's get into the fall decor pumpkin, honey. So I got this from Aldi. This was only $10 as well. Love that. And I got this from HomeGoods. So that pumpkin, it just went with this like vibe. So I just set it up over the fireplace. So yeah, it's nice right here. And you know, we got our little blankets there. I got like a little fall Michigan blanket. So when Jackie watches the football game, he can, you know, have his little fall blanket. Michigan blanket, so it still go with the vibes. So yeah, y'all, that's what we got in here. Nothing major. We still got to get it together, child. We still got to get it together. Oh, the idea I want to tell y'all about for right here. So instead of just getting like a little something to cover that, like a little chase thing, I'm gonna insert a picture right here. So we're gonna try to get this like hotel style looking vibe thing to go right here. So we're gonna see how that works out. I hope it does work out, so stay tuned for that as well. But let me turn this fireplace off, trying to get aesthetics going, and girl, I'm burning up. So that is what we have in here for fall. I was gonna get some like what is it? I saw these cute little pumpkin pillows on Amazon. I'm gonna leave the link down below and I'm gonna insert a picture. But I saw those and I was like, oh, that'll be cute on the couch. So I may get some pumpkin pillows to go on the couch. But yeah, I don't have anything on the couch for real, for real. Y'all let me know, did y'all decorate for fall? Let me know in the comments below. If you did, what's your like fall theme? Is it like pumpkin patch, harvest, apple cider? I don't know. Is it like even a lot of things to choose from? Anyways, let's go into this little pumpkin I got in the kitchen. So, oh yeah, y'all, we still got our cute little pictures right there. No plant though. You know, Romy Rome died. We gotta replace him or just forget about it. I don't need no plant anyway, so I'm always letting him die. But I got this little cute pumpkin from Dollar Tree, y'all. Can y'all believe it? Dollar Tree. Everybody be like, where did you get this little set? Dollar Tree. Even the little hay things are from Dollar Tree. So y'all know how outside, I'm gonna show y'all outside if y'all haven't seen that in my other videos, but I'm gonna show y'all outside. We have a little setup like this on the porch. So I was like, how cute is that? To make the little hay right here and then put the pumpkin on top. Boom, we got a little fall shaboing yoing, you know what I'm saying? So there we go, you know, and I love it. So now moving on over here to the kitchen. Now I don't really have much in the kitchen for real, but we do got some cakes I wanted to get into. Y'all, Jackie made this carrot cake yesterday for the party. Chef's kiss, love it. And his sister made this red velvet cake and German chocolate cake, and it was so good. So yeah, we got cakes right now on the counter. Anyways, for fall in the kitchen, we have a dirty cup that I need to throw away. So let me go ahead and throw it away. I don't even know why I had this right there. So let's go ahead and get into it. We don't really got much for fall in the kitchen, but I got this cute little candle right here that says Hello Pumpkin. And I have this little vanilla cupcake candle. It's like a mason jar. It is so cute. Let me get into it, y'all. It's the details for me. I don't know why when it comes to candles, I love a good detail. Like they be having those pumpkin spice candle cups that look like a whole cup, but it's a candle. But anyways, that's enough of this. I love that. It smells great. I got another pumpkin right here that I got from Aldi's. As y'all can tell, it matched the one that's in the fireplace. That's over the fireplace on the mantle. Love that. So this was only $10 as well. And so it looked like he picking up the pumpkin, right? Like he fetching for the pumpkin or something. You know? Get into it. My man's over here pumpkin picking. So yeah, y'all. Love that. Get into it. That's pretty much it for inside. Oh no, I got the bathroom little pumpkin thing. But let me show y'all this punch real quick that we made. We made this yesterday. It was so good. It got like these little eyeballs in there. So it's like Halloween punch or whatever. It's so cute. Y'all see the eyeballs in there? Can you see them? I'm trying to get y'all a good visual. But yeah, Jackie made this punch yesterday. I can insert the video to that so y'all can check it out or whatever and get a little punch ideas for parties or whatever. But yeah, y'all, that punch was really good. I got my little Cracker Barrel drink over here. I love the peach tea from Cracker Barrel now, y'all. I really wasn't into Cracker Barrel like that, but for some reason I like it now. And yeah, I love getting that peach tea from there. Girl, can you see me? Ooh, I was dark for a minute. But yeah, so now we are in the guest bathroom downstairs. But yeah, y'all, nothing really much major in here for real, but we do have another pumpkin and hay in the corner. So I just wanted to have this in the guest bathroom. You know, you come in here and wash your hands, you still getting that fall vibe. Let's get into my shirt real quick while we're right here in the mirror. Ooh, it's like, you know, twist and shout, twist and shout. Come on, come on, come on, baby. Come on, baby. I love this shirt. It's giving me life. It got like a little bow right here. Okay, let's get into it. So yeah, that's the only thing that's really in here that I got for fall. But let me take y'all outside real quick. It goes with the inside vibe. So I got this wreath from Joanne Fabrics. Love her. She was supposed to be like $100 or $60 maybe. I don't know. I don't remember. Don't give me the line. Check the other video. You'll know. But I got this on sale for only like $20. Love that. This pink actually, y'all, matches that pink pot right there. I'm going to show y'all when we get out there. But it goes so perfectly. I'm so glad I thought to keep these pots. But yeah, so they got the Hello Pumpkin. Well, girl, this me, this is my house. I got the Hello Pumpkin mat right here. Love that. And I got a pumpkin right here on this little pedestal, giving a fall vibe over there. And I got these moms from Kroger's, and I kept the little pink pot that I had from summertime, and it matched perfectly with the wreath, like I was saying, y'all, you know. So yeah, and I got the little hay right here, you know. I got the hay from Joanne Fabrics as well for like $4.99, and I just put the 3 pumpkins on there. So it looked good in here, y'all. Out here, y'all. I'm acting like we in the house. And I got these little dollar pumpkins from Dollar Tree. I just set them right here, and I got a pumpkin right there. So let me give y'all a visual while I walk into the house. But yeah, this is my little fall hookup, boo. Is you feeling it? Is you feeling me? Is you feeling me? I'm not a munch. All right. So yeah, that's my little razzle dazzle I got for fall this year. I'm so excited to actually decorate for Christmas. That's what I love Christmas. Like, I don't know what it is, just not even I hate the snow. That's one thing I can't stand. I hate the snow, but I love Christmas time. Oh yeah, let me show y'all my little other wreath I got on the garage door. I got this one from Dollar Tree. It says thankful and blessed, because I really am thankful for everything God has blessed me with, period. So we had to get that. And y'all, I had made these balloon garlands in literally like 1 hour. I'm talking about blowing them up and even installing, like putting them together, whatever. I did this in 1 hour. So it don't look the best, but it's giving, y'all. We really had a whole party. It was so nice. So yeah, I got these balloon garlands out here. I made them all. If y'all want a video on that, let me know in the comments below. But yeah, girl, it's real easy and simple. And we had our little bar over there, if y'all could see that. But yeah. Super. But anyway, y'all, that's my little fall decoration I got for right now. I don't know if I'm gonna put some more stuff out. I think I'm pretty much got enough fall stuff, so I don't know. I don't want to overdo it. But yeah, y'all stay tuned for the rest of the videos that I got for fall. Make sure y'all stay tuned for all the shop with me's and the decor vlogs that we're gonna have coming up. And I may even start throwing in some like wedding episode series, because y'all, I'm really trying to plan this wedding for real. So that's another thing that I have to really get on. So maybe if I start recording, I'll really be on my P's and Q's or something. I don't know. But yeah, anyways, y'all, I love y'all. Thank y'all so much for hanging with me today. I really appreciate it. And all that. So I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye. Mwah.